A pleasant afternoon to all of us. Today, I'm gonna deliver a persuasive speech entitled with Breaking Free from Insecurities. But first of all, let me ask you this. Have you experienced being insecure? Did it damage your mental health?
Yes.
We all have insecurities. Some of us insecure about their look or appearance, their voice, their weight, their background, or even their dreams. Insecurities is a silent battle we're facing and fighting every day. When we look in the mirror, when we compare ourselves to others, or when we think that we are not enough. Because based on my experience, I've been insecure about my body, about my face, or even my appearance when I am comparing myself to others. But let me ask you this. Should we let insecurities control ourselves?
No.
Yes, the answer is big no. Because how do we break insecurities? First, stop comparing yourself to others. You meant to be you. Secondly, practice self-love and positive mind. Remind yourself that I am worthy, I am enough. Thirdly, surround yourself with people who lift you, not who bring you down. Because the moment you accept the real you, including your flaws, is a truly moment you became the most powerful. Let's change the way we look to ourselves. Let's be kind to ourselves. Let's learn to appreciate our uniqueness instead of hiding it. Insecurities doesn't define you. You define yourself. So today, I am challenging you to break from anxiety. Start loving yourself. Thank you.
Yay.